our flat position, we are going to be welding a lop joint. I already have it tacked together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start, I'm going to be pulling it along, and my welding gun is going to be about at a 15 to 25 degree angle, and on this one I'm going to be doing cursive E. So let's get started on it. I got my machine set to what it needs to be for the thickness of the material. I got my material clean. I want to make sure as I'm welding I could slide my hand along so I get a good bead. You want to make sure that you're not putting too much weight on yourself so that when you're trying to move your hand that you don't get stuck. You want to weld, put not too much weight on this hand so that you could slide it right along the table. So here we go. Just finished my bead with the cursive E. Turned out really well, nice and smooth. I got good penetration with no undercut on the top and the bottom. Turned out really well. You can see how it's discolored there. That means that I got some really good penetration. On the back side you could see along there I got some good penetration. So turned out really well. Let's clean it up and see what it looks like. So after we got it all cleaned up, it turned out really nice. There is actually a little undercut right here. So what happened, I was doing the cursive E, I just didn't hold long enough on the top. I didn't let it fill in as much as I should have. But throughout the rest of the way I got really good penetration, no undercut, and the formation of the bead also turned out really well.